Hey guys, today we're going to make rose-shaped sweet semolina pastry. It's very easy to make with our step-by-step tutorial and very delicious. It's a Turkish dessert, so let's begin with the ingredients. Firstly, we're going to start off with making the sugar syrup. So the ingredients for the sugar syrup is 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2 cups of water, 1/4 of a lemon juice. In a pot, pour in the sugar, and then your water, turn on your heat and give it a stir. And leave it to boil. Once it has come to a boil, pour in your lemon juice. Give that a stir. Then turn off the flame and cover with the lid and leave it aside. The ingredients for the dough is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of semolina or suji, 1 cup of yogurt, half a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, half a cup of vegetable oil, half a cup of melted butter. So we're going to add our semolina or suji to our flour, our baking powder, and mix all that together. Then add in your plain yogurt, your vanilla for that little bit extra flavour, melted butter, and to mix that in all together. Then pour in your oil and combine into a dough. Knead the dough for 5 minutes. It should be a nice smooth dough, and then leave it to rest for 15 minutes. Now make sure you preheated the oven and we've sprinkled some flour onto our board because we don't want our dough to stick. Get a bit of your dough so it's easier to handle and roll out. And roll it out. Make it round about a 1/4 inch thickness. Now with any cookie cutter or a cup, cut out circles. Make sure it's like a medium size so it's easy to fold into the rose shape. Take away the extra dough, and now we're going to show you how to do the rose shape. Place 4 of the circles overlapping like this. Then roll from one side to the other. As you can see, it's starting to become a rose shape. And then you're going to cut it in half and it'll become 2 separate roses. Take one of the roses and flatten the bottom and then spread out the petals like this. Do the same with the other one. And now we're going to do the rest exactly like this. Then after you have placed them on the tray, put in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit. Once it's baked and gone golden brown like this, take it out of the oven, and then our sugar syrup that we made earlier, we're going to pour it over. So it's coated with the sugar syrup. And the sugar syrup is being sucked in. And we're just going to leave it to cool down. So we're just going to finish it off by garnishing it with a bit of crushed pistachios, or you may call it pistas. You don't have to use this, you can use any nuts you want, or you can skip it entirely. It's very tasty without it, we're just adding it for a little bit extra crunch. So here we have our rose-shaped sweet semolina pastry. It's very delicious and easy to make with our step-by-step tutorial. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.